It's been over 2 decades in the making, with a local health specialist set to launch his debut novel, discussing New Zealand's troubled healthcare system over 20 years ago. It's his first ever novel about something he's passionate about.
The government of the time felt that it would be a good idea to, I think, privatise the whole public health system. They never actually said that quite clearly, but that seemed to be the way they were going, based on the advice that they received before they actually changed the law.
The book is set back in the early 90s, a dark time for New Zealand, when a policy was put forth for public hospitals to become independent businesses, competing with each other throughout the country to make money.
It was doomed to fail. It couldn't possibly work if you're going to take care of everybody, and that's, I think, what the public health system is for.
The novel is 22 years in the making. He even took time off to focus on the book in 2009 for 3 years.
That sort of long time has been good because I've been able to gather a lot more facts and background as I went along. So it's made it a deeper book, I think.
Now it's ready to be sold on the shelves. And although it features historic New Zealand issues, the story is fictional.
It's 2 different things, really. It's a novel about 2 people who are caught up in these reforms and the effects that they have on them. But it's also a documentary, if you like, of things that actually occurred. So quite unusually for a novel, it's got references at the back.
Cowan works as a radiologist at Christchurch Hospital, being part of the industry for over 30 years. His knowledge and experiences are reflected in the book. It follows the life of a character who's a stressed surgical trainee, struggling with the change, and also has relationship issues as well.
There will be people in it who are interesting to read about, people that you care about, I hope. And it was also to show the effects of these reforms on the ordinary people, which can get overlooked when they're sitting up there in Wellington making policy. But it was a devastating thing for a lot of members of the workforce as well as patients.
He says New Zealand's healthcare system has come a long way, especially in Canterbury.
It's infinitely better than it was. I think we're very lucky in Christchurch. We have a well-run hospital system, and the whole system around Canterbury is working extremely well. So well, in fact, that people come from around the world to have a look and take the ideas away. I would like people who read this to be aware of what was done to the public back then, and with that in mind, to try and ensure that it never happens again, as well as having a good read.
The book launches tonight at the George Hotel in Christchurch. Jared McCulloch, CTV News.